All right, guys, we have looked at a ton of muscle cars so far. We're here in Mecum Auctions in Osceola County in Florida at Kissimmee. It is January of 2025. Let's take a look at some Mopars. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, original drivetrain, 446 pack, 4-speed track pack car. Black and orange. .383 CUDA convertible, unrestored. 1970 Plymouth CUDA convertible, one of 132 produced. One of only 132 produced. Featured in Hemmings Muscle Machines. Original drivetrain, numbers matching. 1970 Plymouth Hemi CUDA. 426, 4-speed track pack CUDA. Red, black interior with a Hemi. AAR CUDA. Red and black, 1970. 344 barrel or 346 barrel V8 with its broadcast sheet. .1970 Dodge Challenger TA, original drivetrain. It has a beautiful purple and white color. Purple outside, white inside, plum crazy. Everybody knows purple is plum crazy. I forgot to say that, but that's what it is. It's a plum crazy color. Some beautiful Mustangs over here. So there's a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack. Really nice 5-pack of Plymouth CUDAs and Challengers. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. .1966 Chevy Chevelle SS convertible 396. Original numbers matching. Beautiful car. White interior. 4-speed. Beautiful car.
It was expensive. It was a luxury car, selling at around $3,000, which was over 4 times the amount of a comparable Ford. Right in the middle of the Depression, the car just never got the good hold it needed.
'69 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds from the Lindley collection, sorry. '67 Shelby GT500 Fastback It's Shelby number 01722, 428 cubic inch police interceptor motor, V8, 4-speed. Look at that interior. That is a very, very iconic interior. '69 Pontiac Trans Am with a 400 V8 4-speed, one of only 689 produced. Beautiful car. The iconic blue stripe, double blue stripe with the Ram Air hood. Trans Am. Black interior. And these are real, folks. This is the real stuff. So this isn't the ones where people clone them. If it's a clone, it'll say clone. This is a real one. We have more Corvettes here. I'm not going to show every Corvette here. '76 Pontiac Trans Am, original drivetrain, unrestored, 23,000 mile car. So this is the original black with gold Trans Am, prior to the double light one that came out in '77 that was in the movie. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.